Bring your workplace with you using the Industrial Air Contractor 4-gallon pontoon air compressor. Featuring a portable, lightweight design, this compressor promotes easy job site maneuverability. The 5-horsepower OHC Honda engine and oil-free pump provide easy startup in cold weather, while the twin 2-gallon tanks produce 5.0 CFM and 155 max PSI. Thanks to its gas-powered engine and portable design, this compressor is ideal for both construction and farm application. Industrial Air Contractor. Designed to perform, built to last.
Your air compressor is a true workhorse tool, so get one that delivers industrial performance with increased durability, less noise, and faster recovery. Get an industrial-grade air compressor from Makita. Makita compressors are powered by a 4-pole induction motor with direct drive for improved power and longer operating speed. Lower RPM means less noise and easier startups. The large cast iron cylinder pumps feature Makita's exclusive big bore cylinder and piston with heavy duty crankshafts, so your compressor gets faster recovery and increased productivity. Pro contractors require industrial-grade compressors for top job site performance. Makita industrial-grade compressors deliver proven durability, less noise, and faster recovery.
The Excel 6-gallon pancake compressor features a 1.5 horsepower universal motor, a maximum pressure of 150 psi, and offers 2.8 SCFM at 90 psi, making this unit perfect for stapling, nailing, and light-duty bolting projects. Get protection from job site abuse with a fully enclosed motor and an integrated heavy-duty handle. An oil-free, long-lasting pump and motor offer durability and maintenance-free work, while rubber feet keep the unit from walking, improving ease and stability. The dual single-hand quick connects allow for 2 air lines to be hooked up at the same time, offering fast application changes, while the conveniently located control panel puts the controls at your fingertips. A motor with a low-voltage start capability of 64 volts and the ability to operate on a 14-gauge 100-foot extension cord makes this unit great for rural areas with limited power supply. And don't get caught out of season. This compressor is able to start in temperatures as low as -14 degrees Fahrenheit. The low-profile design prevents tipping, while the lightweight build and onboard cord wrap offer easy transportation and storage. So whether your job calls for blow cleaning, stapling, or nailing, do it with ease with the 6-gallon pancake air compressor from Excel.
Introducing Campbell Hausfeld Quiet Compressor.
Hi, my name is Larry and I'm part of the product development team here at California Air Tools. And today I'm going to introduce you to one of our new products. In front of me today is the California Air Tools 20040DC. This is a 4 horsepower, 20-gallon, oil-free, ultra-quiet air compressor. This air compressor only produces 75 decibels of sound and has an air drying system that allows you to dry the air. Let me walk you through some of the features and benefits of this model. Number one is we have a 20-gallon steel tank. This tank holds 20 gallons of air that allows you to have more time before the motor starts. Above the tank are two 2-horsepower dual piston oil-free pumps and motors. These motors only run at 1700 RPM. They run simultaneously and operate up to 125 PSI and 10.6 CFM at 90 PSI. Behind these are our air drying system. We have an aftercooler which reduces the dew point of the air so we can cool the air, and then we run it through our drying column. The drying column has activated aluminum in it, and it extracts 80% of the moisture out of the air. Once the air goes through the drying column, it's put back into the air tank, and then will go out to your tool and your air hose. We have a industrial pressure switch that's on this side over here that you use to turn on and off. And we have an automatic drain valve as an option. This option is available on the model 20040DC AD. AD stands for automatic drain valve. The automatic drain valve allows you to drain the tank automatically without having to manually drain the tank. This drain valve will open up on cycle and drain the tank all the time that the air compressor is running on and off. This allows you no maintenance necessary for draining the tank, because with air compressors you do need to drain the tank periodically, and this will allow you not to do that. This is a separate feature only on the 20040DC AD model. This model runs at 75 decibels. We have over here our 2-horsepower model. This runs at 70 decibels. I'm going to demonstrate both models so you get an idea what the sound is like.